Bacteria can affect us via our food or water by breathing or from skin contact. Bacteria have a unique ability to attach themselves on the practically any surface, forming biofilms. Here we see E. coli attaching to cells. Then there are the viruses. These microbes are not alive. They are more like drones or cloning devices which travel around rearranging the DNA of cells they infect. Here we see a rendition of the Ebola virus. Viruses spread by changing the DNA in a cell, which instructs the cell to replicate the virus. It thus makes the cell one of its clones. The cloned cell will then spread the virus through cell division in contact with other cells. Parasites are another type of microbe. These indefinitely alive and can be either unicellular, single-celled, or multicellular. In other words, some parasites can get rather large. Here we'll focus upon the tinier parasites such as Toxoplasma gondii, pictured here. Many worms or parasites that can grow into tremendous lengths. They can also reproduce quickly. Many can reproduce asexually, making them hermaphrodites, because they contain both male and female sex organs. Extremophiles are one of the more interesting types of microbes, and they can survive in extreme conditions. Colonies of thermophiles, as pictured here, can live in desert conditions, even boiling water in their ovens. While these are rare among kitchens, they do exist. Psychophiles are another type of extremophile. These are hardy microbes that can live within freezing environments. For this reason, we do find microbes in the Arctic and freezers. They typically will move much slower than microbes at normal temperatures, but they can still be infected. Nanobacteria are another type of microorganism. Nanobacteria are extremely small bacteria typically surrounded by a hard calcium shell with which they protect themselves. Myxobacteria are hardy bacteria that often live in soils. They will typically form large groups or swarms, and they can travel quite quickly, despite their seemingly tree-like posture. Some confuse myxobacteria with slime molds, but we know that slime mold is a type of fungi.